Originally, this is not the hotel that I booked. I feel like I just got lucky with having this view, this amazing view in front of me. Kasi hindi ko alam na nasa tapat pala siya ng dagat or kung ano man to, kung bay man to o dagat. When I landed in Hanoi, they messaged me that the room is not available, the one that I booked. So they're going to transfer me to a different place. And then they sent the photo, which the room was decent, it was still nice. Then when I searched on Google, apparently, it's 2 hours away from the airport, which medyo na-stress ako nung una. Nainis ako actually. Kasi hindi naman niya sinabi na ibang location na pala yung room. Akala ko same pa rin. So sometimes, don't complain about everything. Tingnan mo muna bago ka magreklamo. Maybe I can give you a room tour. So let's go. So my room is upstairs. This one is the room with a view of the beach. But I just have a regular room. But it's fine. It's a huge room.
Hello, ma. Hello.
They came back from the water again, walking like a pistol house. Like a rower or rowing boat for you. I mean, please help me to keep them all inside the bag, okay? Everything will be fine. My crew member will help you to collect them all and bring them back to the inside the bag. Otherwise, at the entrance to the areas, they try to stop you with your luggage.
We're here at the dock, and I think this is the boat that we're gonna ride.
Some of us might swim, like said.
Boat.
Don't worry,
Okay.
I know I feel.
You got it. I don't want to tip over.
You just film.
Go closer. Hindi ko mahanap yung entrance. Tsaka parang mukha siyang closed. Ang daming motor guys. Mas madami pong motor kaysa sa tao. Is it supposed to be here? Pero parang sarado. So, tatawid na tayo. Ito na ang kinakatakutan ko. Oh my God. Takot na takot ako tumawid dito. Kaya hindi ako gumagala. Kasi kailangan tumawid. Next challenge. walang sidewalk dito kasi puro motor na nakapark. Ayan o. So, yung mga tao, maglalakad sa kalsada. What I noticed was, parang, oo, delikado nga dito. Maglakad-lakad. Kasi hindi siya pedestrian friendly. But, iiwasan ka naman nila. Iiwasan ka ng mga motor. Hindi mo kailangan umiwas sa motor kasi ikaw yung iiwasan nila. Try not to do anything funny. Like, huwag ka biglang tumigil sa gitna ng kalsada. Grabe yung pinto ng CR dito. Para akong magta-travel sa Narnia eh. So, ganito yung itsura ng mga cafe. Madalas, may overlooking na pero yung iba wala. So, dyan lang sila sa harapan. Sa first floor lang sila nakaupo. So, this is salted caramel. I'm here in front of St. Joseph's Cathedral. Pero kanina nakaupo ako dun sa likod. Kaso, nahiya ako kasi may mga dalawang Koreanong matanda na kinakausap ako. I mean, they were nice. So, nag-take lang ako ng pictures using my camera. Ito yung nakakahiya about vlogging eh. Nakatayo ako dito sa gitna. Mukhang tanga nagsasalita, kausap sarili. But it's fun. It's fun to rewatch your vlogs, your own vlogs.
Pay first. 49.
Sarap. Usually coffee like this costs 50,000 dong, which is around 100 pesos. But again, hindi price ng coffee is, it's 50,000 dong. So, 100 pesos. The coffee shop situation here in Vietnam. So, in one whole street, siguro may 15 to 20 coffee shops. Ganun kalala. So, you just have to choose kung saan mo gusto. I have an amazing view of the St. Joseph's Cathedral. Pero nag-charge ako ng phone. So, mamayang papakita. I think it's the 5th day today. Yeah, 5th day. Kasi tomorrow, alis na ako. Punta ako Malaysia. Nakakainis yung buhok ko. Ang pangit ng conditioner. So, today, I'm finally doing the city tour. Kasi iniiwasan ko siya. Okay, don't bash me. Ayoko kasi ng museums, tsaka ng history. I mean, interested naman ako, pero hindi siya yung first thing na nagagawin ko when I'm traveling to a new place. So, I'm more of an experienced person. Like, yung cooking class. And I did kayaking yesterday. So, hindi ako mahilig sa mga yung mga basa-basa ng history. So, I have a few on my list for today. And ito yung mga magkakatabi-tabi lang. Para hindi na ako masyado maglipat-lipat because public transportation is really hard here. It's not really hard. May bus naman sila and numbered naman yung bus. Pero ang pinaka main public transportation dito is motorbike. Which nakakakaba every time I have to ride it. So first is Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Next is Presidential Palace. Next is Quan Tan Temple. Next is, I'm gonna work in a coffee shop nearby, Highlands Coffee. Ito yung coffee shop sa office namin sa Summit. It's Vietnamese coffee and now I'm actually gonna go there later. And last is the Pagoda Tran Quoc. Yun lang. The difference between the distance of each places are just 3-minute walk each. So, perfect for me kasi ayoko nga maglakad-lakad. And it's very cold, especially last night. Oh my God! Bakit ganun yung buhok ko dito sa Vietnam? Para akong laging para akong laging panot. Ganyan, Anyway, we need to book a Grab. And madali lang mag-book ng Grab dito, surprisingly. Hindi siya kagaya sa Pinas na nagka-cancel sila. Dito hindi. Kahit sobrang tagal na dumating, hindi. Dadating sila. Hindi sila mag-cancel. Especially because I attached my card. Para pag magbubook ako, automatic na siya nagde-deduct sa card ko. So, pag nag-cancel ka, wala. Hindi mo makukuha yung refund. Hindi yung booking time dito, seconds lang. Ganun kabilis. Kasi masasabi nila mas marami pang motor dito kaysa sa mga tao, which is true naman. So, yeah. It's just the same Grab app that I use in the Philippines. My fare is 15,600 dong. Which is parang 33 pesos. Mura lang. And tipping is not the culture here. Especially kapag magbayad ka ng card. Kung magkano yung ma-deduct sa'yo, yun na, wag ka na mag-tip. Kasi, for sure, marami naman sila nakukuhang customers every, 10 minutes. Sa Pilipinas kasi parang parang required mag-tip no? Kasi sasabihin walang barya. Anyway, nandiyan na si Kuya. Ang bilis. Baba na ako. Oh my God, nakakainis yung buhok ko. I made it here to the Ho Chi Minh Museum and Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. I mean, magkatabi lang naman sila. But when I got there to the main entrance, sabi sa akin ng Grab driver, closed daw, 10:30, which I don't know if it's true or if it's a scam. So ngayon, iikot ako sa likod kasi check ko yung gate. Yeah, it already happened to me when I was in Thailand with temples. Feel ko na-experience nyo rin yun. Yung sasabihin ng mga tao doon na close. Tapos may tuturo silang ibang pathway para bayaran mo sila. Which, Vietnam is very European kasi sinakop sila ng French dati. So, yung mga buildings, even the normal houses and the commercial buildings, it's very European style, which is nice. Along this road, this buong diretsong kalsada na yan, nandyan yung mga different embassies ng iba't ibang mga bansa. Like this one I'm seeing, this is Thailand. Yung katabi, I don't know what that is. Is that Russia? I don't know the flag of Russia. Basta sunod-sunod yan. But I haven't seen the Philippines. If you're curious kung anong gagawin mo, if you're traveling tapos nawala mo yung passport mo, the first thing that you should do is go to the embassy of your country in that country. So hanapin mo yung Philippine Embassy sa Vietnam if ever mawala mo yung passport mo dito sa Vietnam. And then mag-i-issue sila sa'yo ng temporary passport. So you could still fly home. So that's how it works. Share ko lang. So totoo nga guys, it's closed. Tinanong ko yung guard. 30 minutes daw. Ba yan? I think they're already allowing people to go in kasi may mga naglalakad na dun. So, ikot na naman tayo. We're inside now. Daming tour groups. Daming puti. Vietnam is popular among the whites. I'm supposed to eat lunch here in front of me, yung color orange na restaurant. It's a pho restaurant, but sobrang haba ng pila, as usual. This is one of the most famous here in Hanoi. So, kumain na lang ako sa katabi since, for me, magkakalasa lang naman yung pho. Ang pinagkakaiba lang is the portion of the meat and the doneness of the meat. Kasi pwede siya yung medyo medium rare, yung beef, or pwede yung lutong-luto. But even if you say that you want medium rare, bibigay na nila sa'yo yung lutong-luto. But this restaurant, I know, kapag medium rare talaga. So that's why. So if may pasensya kayo na pumila, yun o, haba ng pila, go. In this coffee shop, since maganda yung view, maingay nga lang. Well, maingay naman sa buong Vietnam. Since maganda yung view and nasa parang balcony, it's 70,000 here. So that's 150 pesos. But I didn't get coffee. This is more of like a shake, but still coffee. Tabang. So, since we leave tomorrow, the goal today is to spend all of the remaining cash that I have, which is magkano na lang ba ito? Konti na lang to. 750,000 pa. Kano yun? Actually, ang unang withdraw ko nga lang was 9,600 pesos. Tapos ang charge was 400 pesos. I know, sobrang laki ng charge. Nakakainis.